for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Ford Flex. Flex isn't just exciting to look at, it's exciting to drive. It hunkers down, puts a limit on lean. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM/CD, MP3 radio, universal garage door opener, CD player, heated front seats, electronic stability control, security system, trip computer, compass, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.